partial. Most of the times we talk about partiality. Remember, in organization, nobody comes through a relationship. Nobody comes to form a relationship. During the course of working, there might be a relation which could happen, but those are all incidental. Nothing happens. Nobody comes to create a relationship, right? So there's no question of partiality. However, how you're perceived, how your value is perceived by the team makes the team either accept you or reject you. There's something which happened. When this team had one extra person, I'm sorry, I don't know who that person is, but when I say that... Hello. Thank you very much. Okay, so when there was one extra person, a lot of people said, oh, this person has to go. Whatever reasons it is. It's team dynamics. But let's see how the team progresses. The first step of a team formation is to gain acceptance into the team. That is what happened right now. Technology always is like that, isn't it? Forget it. Here, sir. My voice is better than your technology, sir. Okay, now we will start the next step towards giving identity to this team. A team should have identity, just like you had constructions and you have finance and you have... So what we do is, a team identity is defined by one common goal for the team. And there are three aspects to this. How you see it. A goal cannot be seen. A goal cannot be seen. But what can be seen is the name of a team. Okay? You call a name construction because you need to give a name. They have a goal. The goal is not seen. Whereas the name is seen, it's heard. So you have a Naam, you have a Nishan, you have, like Reliance Jio has its own identity. You have a flag for yourself. And you have a slogan, a Nara. Okay, I had the honor and privilege to serve in the Indian Army. And we know that I served in Gorkha regiment, though I am from, it's a very unlikely candidate to be in a Gorkha regiment. I'm from South, proper, typical, traditional guy, no smoking, no drinking, no meat eating. And I straight put in Gorkha regiment where smoking, drinking, and if you don't do any of this, they say, why are you alive? Okay, but the fact remains that when we go for fighting, when the entire battalion comes together and say, Ayo Gorkhali, Jai Mahakali, everyone, right from the commanding officer of the battalion to the newest recruit, they walk together, they fight together, and if need be, they die together. So three things which is essential: Naam, Nishan, and Nara. That's exactly what you guys are going to do. In the next 45 minutes, you're going to create a Naam for your team, a Nishan, a flag, and a battle cry, which we will use multiple times because there are many activities which are coming, and you'll have a lot of chance to use that. Now, for using those, give me the cloth. So you'll be given a cloth, which is a flag, normal cloth, right? And you'll be given some colors. And you'll be given brushes. You get enough colors, no problem. We have a lot of colors, a lot of brushes. Okay, make it as much creative as possible. Okay, as creative as possible. You have enough of them. Okay, but however, there's only one cloth you will be given. And you all know that when you create something in the cloth, you cannot rub it off. Right? You cannot rub it off. You just get one cloth and one chance. So what we, to make your things easier, to give you a guide, we'll give you some papers and we'll give you sketch pens. We'll give you as many papers as you want. So you can create a design, you don't like it, then you can change it, and again you can create another design. You don't like it, you can change it. We can give you as many papers as you want. So you are given 10 minutes exactly from the time you are given this to create a design, 10 minutes. And after that, then we will give you the cloth and the paper and all these things to create a flag over here. Clear? Any doubts? No. Any doubts? Yes? No, sir. Any doubts? Okay, so can you please give Swapnil?
Any topic? Sir.
Up to you. Up to you. You can create anything. As long as it is. Yeah. Finish it off. 12:50, 1:13. You're back here, and we will be doing this. Okay. Thank you. Cloth, Noman. Cloth and Noman.
I'll be walking to the team.
No, cloth. You will give only. No, hold on.
ಯಾರನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಜೋರ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ರಿ. एक काम कर दे आर्टिस्ट को एक you keep 10 hands together and put a mobile picture inside in the circle, then you make a flag with whatever color. This okay, that's the theme.
And the flag Geo's symbol has to be.
Just listen. Who can do the hand better? Put your hand better. ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ
Guys, what do you have in it?
ಬರೀ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕೈಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು. Only hands. This is a more powerful and more ಇದು.
Do you want to explain what you have in mind?
Some extra papers.
Which one?
Whatever your plan is. Do you want to explain it?
Yes, just this closed hand means it is totally all the teams are in this one.
Okay, now fish.
Yes. कर लो दुनिया team है. So this thing should be in all of our Tigers. Jindabad.
A name, a flag for your team.
So, excuse me. What do you have in mind right now? Whatever you're planning.
We have decided about our team name.
Okay.
Team name and slogan.
Okay. You know your logo yet? Whatever you're gonna make.
Yeah, we are designing it.
You're designing it. Okay.
Creating, then you have to.
Team name is
Taking India forward. Emerging India.
India. Put everything in globe.
India fast forward.
Globe के अंदर है.
Vision clarity. India fast forward.
India.
You can get more papers.
We are doing what he has instructed us to do.
Yeah, describe it.
We all start at the same time.
This is known as Jugaad.
This is actually our team name is Jugaad.
Okay, Jugaad.
And then now we are trying to find out the flag for our team.
Okay.
That is the second thing. And then we will be moving on to decide anthem
Okay.
for our team.
You have an anthem too?
Anthem we will be first discussing and then we'll be coming out with an anthem.
Do people have to stand up when you're singing it?
Yeah, people will have to stand up.
Yeah? With their hand on the chest?
Yeah, we want.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Symbol ಯಾವುದು?
So is this some kind of an abstract art?
It is.
This is like a DD.
Represents one team.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, so what are you planning to? What is your team called?
Portion is defection. It means the same.
Do you want to talk about what you're doing and how you're doing?
Geo Warriors.
Geo Warriors. Can we see your logo or flag or
Yeah,
whatever you're making?
flag is there.
Okay.
It's going to come like this.
Doing a press release here. Wait for it. Press.
Yeah. Okay. So that's the entire flag. This is a basic.
Color will come. Color will come. In top echelon there will be a green and yellow
Some spying
and blue.
happening. Be careful. The other teams coming in eager to see what you're doing.
Do you want to describe that let's create history part?
Yeah. We want to create
Where do you-
history. We want to create history in
As many sheets
the
as
I think it's the
possible,
telecom
but finally you have to
industry.
give me only one sheet.
We want to create history in the telecom industry by shortest possible time. We want to set up a good network, world-class network, so that now every customer can feel that experience and they can feel that know what 100 Mbps or what is the speed. So we want to create a history in the market.
Okay. So you guys want to scream out your team name one?
Yes.
I'll give you a countdown.
Ready? Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2.
Let's create history.
Okay.
No, wait. Do you want to define what you're doing, like, or describe in a...
Super 21.
Okay.
Okay. So our motto is we bond and we win.
Okay.
Okay. This is out of all 20. This all 21 teams are connected.
Now, 3 more minutes. Those are through.
All the team members.
Okay,
All
one
the
more task
21
for
team
you.
members are
Identify a
connecting each
leader.
other for a common goal
Identify
called
a
Super
leader.
100. Our 100 desk target, and we
let the
our
leader
motto
bring-
is we bond and we win. And our
Let the leader
logo
bring
is
the
Reliance
flag
Jio
to here.
T21.
All others stand in the same place.
That's very thoughtful of you, but
Team 21.
Team 21.
Team 21 Super 21.
Okay, what team is this, guys?
Geo Galaxy.
Geo Galaxy.
It's done.
What are you doing?
The team here is done. Okay, can one person come over here, please?
No, Geo Galaxy.
Hey, think of something in Hindi also we can look at.
Anybody can describe what you're doing right now, like, you know, whatever your...
Moon भी show कर दीजिए.
So once you're done. Yeah, time up. May I request the facilitators to go and collect those from the team, the extra papers, the rough sheets, the sketch pens, so that we don't have confusion later on. Come on. Omar, sketch pens, papers. Beneath.
Try shooting in manual, I mean auto.
Whether all team has come, sir? So whether all team has come, sir?
Mr. Prabhu, Head of Finance, where are you? Mr. Prabhu, Head of Finance, where are you? You are Mr. Prabhu? Come, sir.
Everybody wants to hold it like this, so...
Okay, sir, there's a small information for you. I'll just... Okay. So, very typical. Time is up. Numan? There's some sketch pens over there. Please collect them. Have everybody given your extra papers? Extra no waste papers there.
Don't disturb me.
Right?
Let him take the photo.
Hey, come here.
Okay, great. So,
Let's create history.
let's create history. Great. Team 2 is Thunder and their slogan is Digitize India. Great. Digitize India. What Modi ji said yesterday in Madison Square. Okay. There were times when old people used to play with snakes. Now, what do we play with? Mouse. Digitize India. Third is Team 21. Team 21 again. The power of youth. We bond, we win. What is 21? That's great. What's the significance of 21, ma'am?
Yeah, I just wanted to tell about this. Initially, when you are talking about a team, you have addressed something like we have 21 people in our team, and because of that one person, we just wanted to move that person to some other team. No, we are not a kind of person. I just wanted
Come this side.
I just wanted to accept my team members, so I changed my team name to Super Team 22, Super Team 21.
Fabulous, fabulous. Okay. One team has not given the sketch pens. Who is that? Friends, sketch pens are expensive. Extremely expensive. And budget is a little tight.
Mars is our limit.
Fabulous.
Okay, our flag displays that integration of our services starting from a small village to the Mars. So our thought is to that reach the Mars. So Geo Galaxy Mars is our limit.